Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to write a travelogue, a story about your travel experience. I will explain the format step by step and then show you a real example about Goa. First, start with a catchy title. It should make readers curious. For example, Whispers of Himalayas or Goa, where fun meets the sea. Second, introduce the destination. Tell why you choose to travel there. Adventure, curiosity, or relaxation. This sets the mood. Third, give some history, culture, or geography about the place. Add fun facts or stories to make it interesting. Fourth, describe how you reached by train, flight, or road. Use sensory details, what you saw, heard, smelled, or tasted. Fifth, talk about landmarks, food, festivals, or adventures. Share memorable moments with people you met. Sixth, share your feelings. Compare what you expected with what you experienced. Add humor or personal thoughts. Seventh, end with a summary. Leave a message or recommendation like travel teaches us that happiness lies in simple moments. Eighth, this is optional. You can add photos, sketches, travel tips, or local saying to make your travelogue richer. These 8 points cover the travelogue writing format. Let's check out one mini travelogue example, Goa. For introduction, we can write, I wanted a short break from studies, so I chose Goa, famous for beaches and fun vibes. For background, we can write, Goa was once ruled by Portuguese, so you will see colorful houses and old churches everywhere. I took a flight from Delhi. As soon as I landed, I saw coconut trees and felt a salty sea breeze. These lines can be covered in journey point. To highlight the place, we can cover these points like I visited Kalangut and Baga beaches full of life. Old Goa churches showed amazing history. I tried Goan fish curry, spicy and tasty. Parasailing gave me a thrilling view of the Arabian Sea. In personal impressions, we can write, Goa was more than beaches. It felt like freedom, dancing barefoot on sand and watching sunset. You can conclude in this way. My trip to Goa taught me that travel is about stories, not just places. I will surely visit again. Arranging these points in a paragraph will make your travelogue interesting and impressive. Hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, and share.